understand. This bitch had the biggest butt and the smallest brain. And you know, I tapped that regardless.
Yeah, my man.
Yeah, you're my best friend.
Yeah, you're my best friend too. Man, it's a good day out today. The sky is blue. The sky is also red. That reminds me. Who are you voting for this year?
Balpino Clausa. What about you?
I'm voting for Dingo Dial.
Dingo Dial? Dude, he's like racist.
Oh, dude. Dingo Dial is gonna save America.
Dude, the poverty line has stayed the same. I don't understand why you're even like thinking about that, but I'm just gonna let you do that. Like, chill out.
Okay, listen. I want everybody I know to vote for Dingo Dial. Alright? Everyone I know must be a Dingo Dial man. Or woman.
I'm sorry, but I'm just not that.
I don't know. I kind of want you to be a Dingo Dial supporter.
So you don't accept me
You
for
gotta-
who I am?
you need- No. I accept you for the person you are. I just don't accept the person that you like.
I don't even know you anymore! You better say one sentence that'll make up for what you just said.
Vote for Dingo Dial.
We're done! I don't want to see you again!
That's how it's gonna be.
People say that your friends are always... Best friends are always your friends. That never changes. But I gotta admit, it's changed a lot for me. My best friends never stayed my best friends. Maybe it's for the best. Bygone's an asshole. When I get back at him for what he said to me, I'll make sure that the hitman are really powerful enough. They're gonna come and get him. I know exactly what I'm doing. These hitmen don't know what's coming. I'm gonna give them the address, and then Bygone's gonna die. So Bygone, this will teach you something new. Yep. Yeah. What the heck?
Mango have been summoned to do a job for a very working man. Yeah.
Bygone. Uh-oh.
I've been looking for you.
And I've prepared for you.
Pretty hard man to find, but not hard enough. Let's settle this.
Who sent you?
What the?
Who sent you?
Who are you? Wait, no, I'm sorry, please.
Who
I can't
sent
tell you.
you?
I can't tell you that.
Tell me now!
No!
Do it, or I'll end your life now! It's Michael! Michael? My best friend sent this monster on me. All because he wouldn't vote for Dingo Dial. But I'll show him. I'll show him the power of a true Dingo Dial fan.
Hey!
Kill me, huh?
What? I didn't do nothing.
Don't act stupid. You hired a hitman on me. Dingo Dial.
Maybe it's because I have more respect for myself.
Respect?
You know, friends are always on your side. And when friends disrespect you, there's no respect left for the friendship. Maybe someday you'll see that. But now, I'm gonna take you out. Because I cannot have a friend with no respect for me. Because respect is the #1 healthy aspect of a friendship. Now let's go! That was hot.
You're strong. Finally, a challenge for me.
Yeah, I guess so. I can't die. I won't lose!